These hiccups are really taxing at times. What exactly causes these hiccups?
Hiccups are automatic tightening of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen and plays an important role in breathing. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. Hiccups may result from a large meal, alcoholic beverages, or sudden excitement.
In some cases, hiccups may be a sign of underlying medical condition too. For most people, a bout of hiccups usually lasts only a few minutes. Rarely, hiccups may persist for months.
That's right. Hence, for the diagnosis of an underlying medical condition, a doctor may recommend laboratory tests, chest X-ray or MRI to check any abnormality.
What's the treatment method for hiccups?
If you have a bout of hiccups that lasts longer than a few minutes,
The following home remedies may provide relief. Breathe into a paper bag, gargle with ice water, hold your breath and sip cold water. You may be able to decrease your frequency of short-term hiccups by avoiding common hiccup triggers such as eating large meals, drinking carbonated beverages or alcohol, and sudden changes in temperature.
I never thought such a simple thing like hiccups would have so many hidden facts. Anyways, thank you.